Are you planning a trip to Denmark and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Denmark in 2025. I'll cover the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Denmark is Mobile. It's a great choice if you want cheap and flexible plans. For Denmark, you can get 3 GB for $7.19, valid for 10 days. There's also 5 GB for $8.99 and 10 GB for $14.39, both with the same 10-day validity. If you need more data, you can grab 20 GB for $20.69 or 40 GB for $31.49. And for those who don't want to worry about limits, Maya offers unlimited data for just $25.19, all valid for 10 days. Everything runs on 5G and activates instantly. The website is simple to use. Pick Denmark, pay, and you're online. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get a 10% discount at checkout. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Denmark into the destination search bar. You'll see all the plans we just talked about. Pick the one that fits your needs. At checkout, the 10% discount is already applied, so you don't need a promo code. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Open your phone settings, scan the code, and your eSIM profile installs in seconds. Toggle it on, and you're surfing Danish 5G almost immediately. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If month-long validity matters most, Airalo's plans offer decent value. For Denmark, the options start with 1 GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2 GB for $7, valid for 15 days, and 3 GB for $9.50, valid for 30 days. For heavier data needs, you can choose 5 GB for $13, 10 GB for $21, or 20 GB at $32. Each good for a full 30 days. Airalo even throws in an unlimited 10-day pass for $35. Airalo app is super simple. Buy a plan, get a QR code instantly, and if you ever need more data, you can even top up right from the app. Use the link in the description and you'll see the same 10% discount applied automatically. So, which one should you choose? Mobile or Airalo? If you want the best overall deal, especially for short stays or high-speed use, Mobile takes the top spot. The pricing per gigabyte is lower, the speeds are great, and setup is effortless. But if you're staying longer and prefer a 30-day validity with modest data needs, Airalo remains a solid alternative with the convenience of easy top-ups through its app. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the plan that matches your trip, follow the quick setup steps, and you'll be connected in Denmark in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.